Hello, how's it going, everyone? So, if I sound a little sick, it's because I've had bronchitis all week, so I haven't really been at work, and decided to get into a project that I've been working on since last Halloween. We bought a harvester in our fashion for, I think it was 30% off because it was broken. So, there's a little thing right here that holds a gear in, and that gear is broken. So I'm going to rig it up my way so I can hold the gear in there because his arms don't lift up. But he makes noise, and when you hook a fog machine up to him, the fog works and all that fun stuff. So like he works, just he doesn't lift his arms up, and that just I want his arms to work. So I am going to be doing this today. Hopefully get his arms working. Unfortunately, all of this doesn't come off as a mechanism. Well, it does. But it'll just be easier to do it. I just don't feel like taking his head all the way off and all that stuff. I'm just gonna do it like this. I wish I had a bigger table to do it, but this will do just fine. So yeah, let's get into this. I'll show you what I got going on down here with it too. So all of this is where the prod, I think I lost it. Oh, here it is. So the prod was held in right here. Right there, but the prod's all bent, and as soon as it gets a little bit of pressure on it, it like breaks and it pops out of place because there's no holder on this end. So I have found a ingenious way to get around that, so we'll see if it actually works. So I skipped through a lot of my frustration with the gears and stuff like that because it was tedious. I didn't want to make like a 30-minute video on something that may or may not work. But I got his rubber bands back on. I got this housing on. This bolt holds that screw that's wobbling around. So now I'm going to put him back together and see if he actually works. I kind of doubt it, but I'm going to try anyways. I just got his little head base put back together. So yeah, I'm gonna actually assemble him and get screws back in him and get him together.
maybe quickly see what he does without the curl on. See if his arms get up and down and pop up and stuff like that. So I'll be back.
These were my issue last year. I kind of made it a point to put power blocks with the animatronic. Since he was broken last year, we didn't get to use him. I didn't put a power brick with him, so I had to steal Georgie's. So, good work. Please work. I like you. You're one of my favorites. Not good so far. Not good. Foot pad, madam.
Look at me, just as all the others have. Now that I have you, your soul will be mine forever! Look at me, just as all the others have. Now that I have you, your soul will be mine forever! Look at me.
You know, this could be a good thing because last year we didn't even have his arms up. They were down here. So let's see what happens when I put her weight on his arms. Because we didn't even have arm action last year. We had nothing from him last year. Oh, I feel like she's gonna weigh him completely down. Yeah. So this is exactly what we had last year. He was like this. Let's see.
Look at me, just as all the others have. Now that I have you, your soul will be mine forever! Look
She
at
leans her
me,
head back up.
just as all the others have. Now that I have you, your soul will be mine forever!
So, the answer to my... Well, the point of this video is can I fix the harvester? No, I tried. I just don't know what it is. They don't make parts for them anymore, so you can't even get a new box for them, nothing. But it's okay. I mean, he didn't even look like this last year. Last year, his arms were just completely down. If we do hook a fog machine up to him, the fog should go from his mouth to her mouth. so it should actually work this time. I mean, it sucks that the arms aren't gonna go up, but hey, you know, he's worth it. If we find another cheap one and it has like a volume issue, then I'll buy it and just swap his control box out. But it took us forever to find one, so we might order a new one, we might just try to fix another one, who knows. But if you watch this whole video, as always, thank you. I'm gonna try to be fixing more stuff. I think the only broken one we have is Michael Myers, but his control box like caught on fire, so Michael Myers probably isn't gonna be fixed. He's just like opposable, like animatronic now. He's better off just being like a mannequin in our horror room. I don't even know where he is. But oh yeah, on another note, sorry, I know I try to end the video. So I was running out of gears and I was gonna give up, but I remembered I had this extra Tug of War Clowns box, and I took all the gears out of it and used it on Harvester. So yeah. Dr. Zombie does offer like gear diagrams, so if yours does have an issue with the arms not lowering or going up, it's probably a gear issue or a sensor issue. Who knows? But I just know if your gears are broken or the mounting points for your gears, you're never gonna fix it. I just tried. I literally went through 2 gears, 2 metal ones and 1 plastic one, and he's just gonna stay like this. So again, as always, if you watched all the way through, thank you for watching. I'm sorry, I sound a little hoarse, I'm sick. But yeah, I tried. So thank you.